Good morning, this is Lego set 21358, the minifigure vending machine part 2. This will cover bags 5 through 7. We start off with the coin mechanism that unlocks the wheel so you can dispense the capsules. At the end of this video you'll actually see it working. The coin unlocks it so you can dispense one capsule. It is a pretty slick little mechanism how it works. Enjoy the video. I'll catch you about halfway through. Here we are working on the mech that will accept the coin and dispense it. You'll see that little void there is what will hold the token and trigger the mechanism to rotate one revolution to dispense a capsule. Bag 6 came with 2 minifig capsules. You'll see the little blue piece will lock the mechanism so only one coin can push it out of the way to unlock it. And then once that coin goes through, it locks itself back up again. There's a little rubber piece that moves back and forth to let one coin through. to start building this little mechanism that will grab one capsule and deposit in the hopper. So you'll see as it spins, it grabs one capsule and deposits in the little hopper there, and that dispenses it to the bottom of the vending machine. Here it is in action. The last piece we're working on for bag 7 is this little sorter filter to keep all the capsules from getting grabbed at one time. We'll also hide the mechanism. I think it provides a little ramp as well for it. Here we are finishing up the handle. We put together this little coin. As you can see, it won't spin or dispense a capsule until you put this coin in. Once you put the coin in, you can turn the knob and it'll dispense it down the hopper. What that coin does is pushes that little blue fin in so the whole mechanism can rotate. Don't forget to like and hype this video. Stay tuned for part 3, which will be the finishing of the vending machine.